Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to recover suspended FanDuel account. To reactivate your account, use the live chat feature on the FanDuel website or app. Tap Chat Options is usually available at the bottom right corner of the screen. Alternatively, you can email FanDuel support or use their contact form. Be prepared to provide details such as your full name, email address associated with the account, username, and any other verification information requested. If your account was closed, explain why. Suspended, ask for clarification, and if it was self-excluded, confirm that you're ready to resume playing responsibly. Complete any steps FanDuel's customer support team provides, such as verifying your identity. If you're unable to use the live chat or have further issues, try reaching to FanDuel support by their help page or official social media channels. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.